Hey, Joe here. Today's episode of Joe Wrenches, I'm going to take care of some of the things that were on my list to take care of before my first track outing, but I didn't get to. We got all the critical stuff to go down the track taken care of, but there's some cosmetic things and some minor adjustments that need to be taken care of to have the car exactly the way I want to. So let's get started on that stuff.
Hello.
Hi, what is this for?
DoorDash?
I didn't DoorDash anything.
Somebody got it for you. Richard Ong?
Richard Ong?
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always.
Going to have to recalibrate that rear wheel speed sensor. With all those extra teeth on there, the right rear sensor pulses per mile is going to go up quite a bit. Should be able to math it out though. It used to be 5 pulses per rotation and now it's 47. So without making any changes, let's see what we got over there. Patrick's going to go ahead and spin that wheel and we'll see how many mile per hour he's going back there. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I would say that that is not correct. So what I'm going to do is some math, which I've already done. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And the new number is 40,363. Hit enter. Updates. And now, what do we get, Patrick? You spin that thing like normal, slow speed through the pit area. We get about 5 or 6 miles an hour.
Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will burst your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood. I'm not backing down. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Take this, put it in reverse. Aw, wrong color bulb. Try it again. Now we're talking. Here's my new Zona Rotor 10569S. Big thanks to Force Performance for taking care of this for me, getting me a new one of these put together and sent out. They got my Vibrant ferrule from my Vibrant clamp here welded back on, my speed sensor installed here, and I'm ready to go. We skipped on the blue anodizing this time just because it would have taken more time. But it's here, it's ready to be reinstalled, so I can continue progress with Brittany. Force Performance also hooked me up with this 7-bolt exhaust manifold stud and nut kit. A new clamp, since I had an issue when I took the other one off. My nut seized up here, so got a new clamp there. And I got this steel inlet fitting to replace the aluminum one I had. I feel safer with a steel one there. The manifold is reinstalled with fresh hardware. I'm working on reinstalling the new turbo, and I'm just trying to get it in the right location. There's a lot of adjustability here. The way this all has to fit together, and have the exhaust come out the hood, and I'm gonna work on it some more. Man, that came out pretty darn good. The people at Force Performance take good care of me. They deserve to be on the hood of this car like this. And thanks for watching Joe Wrenches. Thanks to Reggie Built for making this for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Put cheese on it.